Hello everyone, we are from Group 4 and here we will presentation about Cytophilus oryzae at temperature treatments. Before we start our presentation, there are three members in our group. First is Fatahila Ahmad Ahyaudin with student number 57, Valentino Edwin Putra with student number 61, and Joshua S. Rivera with student number PIL 1977. From background, rice is staple food for the people of Indonesia and the world. The rice storage process is one of the most important for post-harvesting. The most common cause of rice damage during storage is due to post-harvest pest attack. Two species of Cytophilus oryzae and Cytophilus zamais are major pests that damage agricultural commodities in storage, such as wheat, maize, rice, and sorghum. Rice powder beetle or Cytophilus oryzae is classified as a primary pest that can attack whole grains. Damage caused by Cytophilus oryzae range from 10 until 20% of the total production. The presence of the initial population of insect pests can cause increased damage to rice in terms of quantity and quality during storage. Losses due to post-harvest insect pests can be affected by the population density of post-harvest insect pests associated with food ingredients in storage. And next is rice weevils or Cytophilus oryzae. Cytophilus oryzae, or commonly known as rice bug known as rice powder beetle, is the pest is cosmopolitan or widespread in various places in the world. The damage caused by rice lice is heavy and is often considered the most detrimental pest to rice products. A suitable environment for the development of this pest is a temperature of 25 until 27 degrees Celsius and a humidity of 70%. The time span of immature development depends on the quality of the rice and the temperature of the storage environment. Humidity and temperature factor on the development of rice weevils. The effect of humidity on the development of the rice powder beetle was different for each stage. Humidity that is too low can cause quite high immortality of the eggs, larvae, and especially in mago, namely at humidity of 30, 40, and 50%, according by CTEPU 2004. Optimum development occurs at a temperature of 30 degrees Celsius and a relative humidity of 70%. Development in general can occur at a temperature 17 until 34 degrees Celsius and relative humidity of 15 until 100%. If the humidity exceeds 15%, the beetle develops rapidly, according by Shibuya 2010. In our observation, the result is at the treatment A is high temperature of or exposed to sun ray, treatment B room temperature, and treatment C is cold temperature or inside fridge. Our observation result is spread in the table in first week.
The observation result on the first week until third week, all the treatment has the same condition in color, consistency, and smell, which are white color, intact shape, and the smell fresh. Population on the first observation on treatment A, B, and C consecutively are 8, 10, and 10. On the fourth week until sixth week, the color and consistency of the rice change on week 4. A and B change into slightly yellow. Meanwhile, the consistency on B and C changed into slightly broken, followed the change of rice consistency on treatment C into slightly broken. The smell started to change into a bit musty on week 5. Population on the second observation on treatment A, B, and C consecutively are 5, 16, and 11. The population on third observation on treatment A, B, and C consecutively are 0, 27, and 15. Rice color on all treatment changed into slightly yellow on week 7. Rice consistency on treatment A changed into broken. The rice started to change into floury on week 9. Also, the color changed into yellow and the smell is musty. The population on the fourth observation on treatment A, B, and C consecutively are 0, 39, and 21. The population of fifth observation on treatment A, B, and C consecutively are 0, 47, and 28. And on the last observation, the population are 0, 56, and 37. Observation on the last week, treatment B and C, the color changed into yellow, but treatment A still slightly yellow. This is due to the population on treatment A is 0. There are no Cytopilus oryzae activity. The rice consistency on treatment B and C are floury. Meanwhile, treatment A is slightly broken. All the treatment has a very musty smell. The purpose of this observation is to determine the effect of temperature on rice weevils. Rice weevils population observation were carried out using 3 temperature parameters, namely in a cool room, indoors or outdoors, and under the sun, not exposed to rain. From each parameter, store 10 rice weevils, 5 males and 5 females, by adding 100 grams of rice.
Observations were made once every 2 weeks for 12 weeks. From the observations, it is known that the number of rice weevils stored at room temperature was 10 in the first observation, namely the second week, and 56 in the last observation in the 12th week. The number of rice weevils stored at cold temperature was 10 in the first observation, namely the second week, and 37 in the last observation in the 12th week. The number of rice weevils stored at high temperature was 8 in the first observation, namely the second week, and 0 in the last observation, or in the 12th week. This can be separated from the effect of temperature on the rice lice, causing the rise and fall of the population, which is influenced by the humidity factor. Most barn insects live and reproduce in the temperature range of 10 to 45 degrees Celsius. Below 10 degrees Celsius, insects can complete their life cycle, and above 45 degrees Celsius, insect mortality is very high. Discussion. Storage temperature treatment can affect the population of S. oryzae. The higher temperature treatment can reduce the population of S. oryzae. According to L. Au et al. 2016, S. oryzae development will reach its peak at 25 to 28 degrees Celsius and humidity 65 to 73%. The mortality of S. oryzae imago was caused by the storage temperature being too high, which did not support S. oryzae to thrive. According to Yazin 2009, temperature is one of the climactic factors that can affect the life cycle of Cytopilus spp from egg to adult stage. Conclusion. From the observations, it can be concluded that temperature has an influence on the population of rice weevils, where at low and too high temperature, the population of rice lice has decreased, and at optimal temperatures, the population of rice weevils has increased. Thank you.